Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the garage and taking in the car my oldest boy is using now. Is a Ford Fiesta 2009 model. That's is MK5 or MK6, generation 5 or 6. Please put it in the comments so I know it. You have to be sure. So 1.4. Just checking a couple of things here. The first problem that we had here now was the main light beam, short beam on this side. That way on the right hand side was going out. And I was out in the cold and snowy and things changing it. I couldn't make a video then, but now I can show you. Because I saw some videos that say you should take out the whole lighting thing. On the other side maybe it's a little less space, but here you don't need that. It's very simple. Yeah, I was looking for some videos at the net and they were saying, yeah, you should take out the whole light. Okay, a screw here and a screw in the back here, and I actually believe it was one more. But then I was out in the snow and the thing was problematic and everything, so I was thinking here it's a little more difficult, but let's say on the simple side first. The main light bulb is behind here. Just a simple cover, drag it off. In here, maybe I get in here. The light bulb cover is just twist. Twist anti-clockwise. Then the bulb comes out. The bulb needs to be dragged out from this holder. This one is changed, so but could be good to have a screwdriver in here. The things here is the locking, one on each side. And get on the new bulb. Just find the hole again, in with it, and twist it clockwise. There, it's changed. Very, very, very simple. Just remember to put on this. That's on the right hand side. On the other side I was seeing that you have a little more problem, because here we have this box coming in the way, so you need to move away at least the top. Yeah, you should get into here and take off again, and then it's the twisting system in here too, but a little more work to get in. I can guarantee you can screw out the box with the fuses if you need, or you can take out the whole lamp. But as you see, to change out the H7, it's called the bulb, in here. On this side is a little more work, the other side is very simple. You can take out the whole system if you want, but I don't see any point taking out all of that when you come in without doing that. Yeah, so now you know where the bulb is, and you also know it's an H7. It's more or less looking about a set now with a lot of light bulbs in. H7 have two connectors not as H4 that have 3. This is only for the ordinary driving light. It's not a long beam, it's short beam. I'm standing out here. Yeah, please start following the channel. Please put a like. Please put a comment about the car. Is it an MK5 or MK6? 2009, I think it's a 6. You tell me. Other questions or information about the other things here, please come with that. So thank you. Please start subscribing to the channel, and all comments is good, all likes is good. Thank you. Welcome back.